little beetle. See, that's gonna happen. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have this. This is a 1167 piece Lego Beetle set. So yes, it is an expert Beetle collector's edition, I think, Beetle, which is a scale model, I think. Let's open it and see. What? Honestly, how do I open this? We needed this, the trusty knife that helps me open things. That sounded correct. There's two pictures here. Oh, I was supposed to put my fingers in it, but they glued it so shut that I couldn't get it open. Oh. We've got tires. Squishy tires. Squish, 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 squish. 4 tires. There should be a 5th tire for the spare wheel. Wow, this is gonna be complicated. There's a lot of tiny pieces and a very big manual. There's little stickers, you get different number plates. These packets are labeled 1, there's another one. There's 2 1s, 2 2s, and 3 3s. Interesting. So it says open 1, but there's 3 1s. Which one? It looks like this one, because it has long pieces in it, which this one has, which the others don't have. Oh, there's packets inside packets. That's not nice. Okay, so there's packets inside packets. What do these packets mean? And what are they for? They're probably for smaller parts. And what's this? Here's a little white box. What's in this little white box? Oh wow, really? There is a little, ooh, I don't want to use it. There is a little, what do you call this? Rubber washer. There's a little tiny washer inside this big white box. Where do I put it that I don't lose it? Oh, here's a little wheel arch. I can see that. Ooh, a little wheel arch. That's cool. There we go. I'm progressing. Small but slow progress. Okay, cool. Time lapse time. Okay, so I have done packets number 1 and 2. This is the progress I have gotten so far. So the Beetle is there, the backside is there, the engine is in. I don't think there's anything else that goes in the engine. Little exhaust pipes, steering wheel that adjusts, seats that adjusts. It's got a little towel on the back which keeps falling out. So I must try and keep that there somehow. I still have packet number 3 left, 3 packets of number 3 left, which I assume is the roof. The roof, surfboard, the wheels, and all the small things like that. So yeah, back to a time lapse. Boom, there we go. We have a complete little Lego Beetle. There you can see the scale, and yes, we have some spare parts, which I hope is the spare parts. I assume it's spare parts. I followed every single instruction according to the book. And I think these are just like spare things which people generally tend to lose. And there's like extra, you can change, let's see. You can change the number plates in the front and the back. You can change the number plates around. So yeah, it's very nice. It's a bit finicky. Oh, see, as you can see here. Because like this is just, it's not stuck to anything. It's just literally just lays on there and these little rubbers hold it in place. Same with the cooler box. There's one little thing that holds it in place, but other than that, there's nothing holding it in place. Also the roof. There's very little holding the roof. So if someone just tries to pick it up like this, the chances of it falling apart is quite a lot. But yeah, it's very cool, it's very fun, it's a nice little piece to have. I'm very happy I have this little beetle. See, that's gonna happen. There's tons of parts everywhere, so you try and look for the parts, and then you sort of get lost in where they are, and they're very small, and there's so many of them. So use a bigger table, I would advise. But yeah, it's cool. The doors can open, both front and back latches can open, and some pieces stay behind. What's going on here? There we go, I fixed it. Does it work now? Nope, it doesn't work. And maybe super glue. Maybe super glue will work and just hold the pieces together. Yeah, bye. No.